I totally forgot to video the shelter. Some people had sent me some messages trying to get me to do some things in my videos, and I'm trying to adjust. Totally forgot to video that one. Supposedly there's it was built really recently, so it would look pretty cool and everything. We didn't sleep in it last night because we didn't think it was gonna rain, and it ended up raining. But the reason why we didn't sleep in there was there was a lot of people around. We didn't know if they were going to sleep in the shelter, which they ended up not sleeping in the shelter. And also, I'm kind of glad that we didn't sleep in the shelter because let's just say there's a tree dropping acorns all last night, and an acorn dropping from about 40 feet up and hitting a metal roof is quite loud. We were about, let's see, maybe 100 feet from the shelter and could still hear the acorns hitting. But anyway, today's gonna be quite wet and slick. Just trying to make it a little bit further down the trail. But anyway, I'm gonna break 1,000 miles here in a couple days. But today only going about 16, I think, maybe 17, if we're feeling all right. And yeah, it's kind of spooky morning. I'm probably just gonna video this and not talk a whole lot during it, because I want you to experience the PA rocks as I am experiencing them right now. It's about 70 degrees, humid as all get out, 100%. It's about 10:30 in the morning, and we're about to go into what is called balancing rocks on the trail. So here we go. should be balancing rocks up there, which I think the trail goes up that way. Alright, well, was not expecting this. This thing here. That's quite the rocks there. PA is throwing everything rock-wise at us. I mean, come on. What is this? That is wild. You have to go right over the top of that. And it's been drizzling, so the rocks are slick. This is nuts. There's a blaze on that one. Like, how? Like, that's slick. Like, whew. I don't know how you would do this. I mean, you're on corners and there's moss on the rocks. Oh, I'm like, that's what I'm standing on. That's slanted. That's down. There's a corner there I can stand on. This is wild. I mean, oh, it's so slick. Blaze and blaze, and up there. All right, I'm going to put the phone down so I don't drop it in one of those crevices. But gotta get over the top of that. PA is wild. All right, we're at Dan's Pulpit. Can't see, but there it is. Somewhere over there is the view that we're supposed to see. Anyway, there's a lot of people out today, considering how wet the rocks are, and it rained last night and all that fun jazz. But that is good to see people out. Oh, that was cold. The leaves brushing up against you when they have so much water on them. Yeah. More rocks. Pennsylvania has been nothing but rocks. Oh man. Whoa. That one moved. That was not fun. Not cool. Yeah, even the... Oh, goodness. I'm gonna fall doing this. I've already fallen a couple times, but... It's, been a rough, like 5 miles. Nothing but this. Nothing but that. Nothing at all. But rocks. Oh, I was so happy when we got like a 2-mile section or 3-mile section yesterday. Oh, it might have been even more than that. 4 or 5-mile section of like really nice, wide, flat trail that had very small rocks on it. I enjoyed that a lot and took advantage of it. But today has shown no mercy with rocks. I will let you go as I enjoy Rocksylvania. So I thought I'd video some of the water sources in PA. This one's piped, which is pretty nice. That's what it looks like. It's just a short side trail down off of the AT here. Just up this way is where I have set my pack down, but that is what water sources are starting to look like as we get further south. I just wanted to let you see that. So I haven't videoed much in the last 4 miles because we have been cruising. Did 3.1 miles the last hour, and then stumbled or did another mile, and then stumbled upon this field of rocks. And that obviously slowed us down a lot. But fields of rocks have come often today, and we had a good, let's see, about 3+ miles of really nice, really nice path to walk on. It was really awesome. But that's where we did the 3 miles an hour. Got 0.7 to Pulpit's Rock, and like another 1 point something to the shelter that we're staying at. 16 point something mile day, and we're gonna be cutting it close to the sunset. Alright y'all, so this is Pulpit's Rock. Look at this view. The 2 little weird bumps of mountains, and flat. That is really flat, just very flat. But Pulpit's Rock, pretty cool. Anyway, pretty cool drop off as well. But anyway, got 1.5 miles to the shelter, and gonna get down there hopefully soon. But anyway, there's the view. Alright y'all, I'll see you.